Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for this episode, with this cool, I'm going to right here in my hand. And basically what this is a handheld shower head. And this is not your normal handheld shower head. This one actually has the option where you guys can actually replace the filter that's on the product itself. So let me actually open up the product to show you guys what I mean. Alright, so when you guys first open it up, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So let's take everything out to show you guys what's included inside. So first thing you see inside right here is the shower hose itself. Next up, you can see they provide you guys the loofah. Right here, they provide you guys the tape that's used to actually put it onto a shower head itself to prevent it from leaking out. Right here, we have the part that you want to put the shower head on. Right here, they provide you guys an accessory that you can use to mount it onto the wall with the sticky option in the back right here. And you guys can actually use it to hang your loofahs on here if you guys want to. Right here, they provide you guys the replaceable head if you guys want to replace the head. Because they provide you guys around like 3 different replacement heads if you guys don't like the one that's already on the product itself. And then last but not least, we have the shower head right here. And then that is basically everything that's included in the package. So I'm actually take everything out from the wrapper to show you guys what it actually looks like first. Alright, so this is basically what the loofah looks like. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like for the replacement head. If you guys want to change it, that's up to you guys. This part right here is the one you guys want to attach it onto the wall so that way it can actually produce the water out here. So when you take it out, this is basically what it looks like right here. So you can see the product itself is quite long and pretty high quality. And the inside there's another layer right here that's super durable as well. So that way you guys don't have to worry about the water leaking out anytime soon from this part right here. And then last but not least is the shower head right here. So you can see this is basically what it looks like. So you can see right here, this is basically the switch to activate the different spray mode. So for this shower head, they actually has 3 different spray modes on here, which I'll show you guys what each one looks like in a second. They also have an on and off button right here. So I press this button right here, that turns it off or turns it on. So that way you guys have the option to stop the water or turn it on. And then right here we have the filter. And this is what it looks like in the front right here. So this is the 3rd replacement head if you guys want to use this option. Otherwise you can change it to the other one that I showed you guys earlier. And obviously if you guys want to replace the head, all you guys need to do is unscrew this part right here. Alright, just like that. You guys just take that out and replace it with the other one that I showed you guys earlier. When you're done, just close it back up. Make sure it's completely sealed up so that way none of the water can leak out. But that is basically everything that's on the product itself. Now let me show you guys how to set it up and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we got everything right here all set up. So you want to use all of this right here. We don't need the other stuff that I showed you guys earlier. You probably need to use the tape if it's your first time applying on. So let me show you guys how to install it. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is install this part right here on there first. Alright, so you guys want to screw it on like this. Make sure to go as far as I can. And you guys want to fix this part right here. Alright, so that should be good. So what you guys want to do now is to install the shower hose right here. You guys want to take off this part right here first, and then you guys install it. Alright, and you guys all set up that part. The last part right here, you guys want to install the shower head, which is what we have right here. So you guys want to take off the bottom part right here. And when you guys take off the bottom part here, you guys want to be careful because there's a filter right here that you guys want to put inside. And you guys want to put this inside right here, and then screw it on. Screw it as far as you guys can, and make sure everything right here is tight as well. So that way nothing can leak out. Same thing for here as well. Alright, so that should be good. Let me actually put it up here to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So this is basically what the product should look like once you guys fully install it. Alright, so let's turn it on and try it out and see how it works. Alright, then see that thing works pretty well. If I want to use the on and off switch, just click it one time. That stops the water from coming out. Press it again. The water comes out. If you guys want to switch the different modes on here for the different spray, you definitely can. So this is spray number 1, spray number 2, and spray number 3. So you can definitely see the product itself works quite well. You guys can see the filtering option right here, and you can see the water inside right here when we turn it on. But that is basically what the overall product looks like and how it works. You guys can see everything works quite well and super easy to use. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick setup and the actual test of the actual product itself. You can see that actually works really well and super easy to use. The whole process of setting up the product itself is really fast and really easy. If you can see, it didn't take that long. And once you guys have everything all set up and then start using it, I really like the option how you guys can see the water going through the actual shower head itself. So that way you guys know whether or not the actual water is clean and kind of see how the filtering option is happening on the side as well. But pretty much to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not, yes, I would definitely have to say that getting any kind of like filter shower head or the filter shower in general, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it. So that way you can actually get clean water to shower. Especially if you guys are living somewhere where it doesn't have clean water. Getting any kind of like filter shower head in general are super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.